line, 2 points, easy peasy. And our learning target. I can use my graphing calculator to explore a function graph and table. All right, this time around, we're going back to our quadratic equations. And again, my friends out there who are missing serious days of school, a lot of key things I'm saying in class that you may not be picking up. But one of the key things that I'm sharing with you guys is really knowing that when it comes to these equations, um, the more experience you have with it, you kind of just learn that a quadratic is a upside down or a right side up uh, smiley face. Okay, and so with that knowledge, we'll come back to this idea as we graph this thing. All right, so it's asking for key information. One of the pieces of information that's being asked about is that we want to do it over this domain. So from -4 to +3. So what that's going to look like for us guys is that, so we're looking for something that's going to 1, 2, 3, 4, start here and end 1, 2, 3. So those are our guidelines. Okay, not hard. Okay, we're also being told that we want to look for the y and the x intercepts. Now it's interesting because when we have a straight line, those x and y intercepts are 100% guaranteed to exist. Well, I can't say that. They happen more often than not. And what I mean by that is it's a guaranteed thing if we have something like this. That can happen. Um, and, but sometimes we'll have something that might look like this. Um, might look like this. Uh, um, so having just done that, I realize I'm wrong. We're always going to have an x and y intercept when we have a linear function. Okay. Remember what I say about math. Math allow thinking to happen. Mistakes allow thinking to happen. Okay, enough on that. So what do we got to do here? We got to plug these values into our y editor and look at the table. And from the table, we can generate a graph. So let's get her done. Plug it in. Y editor, clear it out. This is my x. This is not x. This is multiplication. This is my, okay, -2. Okay. And look at our table, second graph. Okay, I'm looking for a minimum value or a maximum value. So let's look at the y values. So as I get more negative, my y values are increasing. As I get more positive, my y values are decreasing. And then they're increasing again. You guys seeing that? So let's look at the y value that is the smallest. Okay, all right. So it looks like -2 is my smallest y value. All right, that's the information I want. So I'm going to drag it and put it over here. Okay. So minimum of 3 to 5 points is what I'm looking for, guys. So let's start with our minimum value. Okay. According to this, my minimum value is going to be at -1, -2, and at 0, -2. So let's look at that. Let's plot it. Okay. Over 1, down 2, 1, 2. Okay. Over 0, down 2. Okay. Um, and I want to go over 2, and that's my line intercept. 1, 2. I want to go back to the same. Over 1. Okay. And that's 1, 2, plus 4. Let's get some more values. I'm going to go over 3, up 4. All right, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Over 2, up 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I'm gonna stop right there because I want the calculator to kind of give me an idea of what I'm working with. Okay, so based on this, my lowest value is probably going to be lower than -2. All right, so I don't see that when I do my graph. So here's my trick one more time. Second window. I want to do this in not full increments, but half increments. 0.5. Okay, and I'm interested. Um, I'm interested in when between -1 and 0. I think that's what I'm interested in. So let's make that -0.5. Let's see where a graph comes back with. Second graph. That's cool. That nothing changed there. Second. All right. So let's see what we're working with. So before we got our lowest values were -2. Now I see my lowest value is -2.5 when it's at 0.5. Okay. So why is that important to me? It just allows me to know that there's a point right here. Okay. There's a point right here. 1, 2, 3, right in the middle. All right. That makes this, coming back to this guy here, and we might be able to connect the points nice and evenly. If not, we'll make some changes. Just kind of get rid of this. Try it again here. So I got to start here, and I got to go here. Boom. Okay. I like that. That's very nice. Math people like to kind of be precise. Takes a little longer, but we get a lot accomplished. Okay, let's see have we accomplished everything? Have we found out our x and y intercepts? I think we did. When x is 0, y is -2. And then when x is 1, y is 0. So intercepts, we got that accomplished. So that's a check. Big old check mark. Okay, that's done. All right. All right. Next, have we mapped from -4 through -4 through +3? Well, let's bring up what that map should look like. If I all right. Now, one of the things, guys, I don't want to redo everything I just did. So I'm just going to hit second plus 7, 1, 2. And it just resets everything. So it's much easier for me to just go back in and reset it or retype it. All right. So what am I trying to do? I'm trying to make sure I've had all of those requirements accounted for. Okay. So it's asking me -4. -4 would have put me at 10. Didn't go to 10, so let's just do that now. All right. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10's right there. Okay, and 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 will put me at 10 as well. Boom. So that's what it looks like, guys. And the last question it asks for is, what's the value of y when x is 2? X is 2. Y is 4. So we covered all the bases. Again, this video ran a little longer than I wanted it to, but friends, I think we got her done. Okay? Take care.